Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the pound dollar just keeps on pushing up. It's actually pushing up pretty strong right now. It's pushing way beyond the 61%. So my next area of resistance would have to be the 78%. If it goes above the 78%, then the idea of this stopping and being a correction to this last move down is probably going to be thrown right out the window. Now, yesterday I was saying that it definitely looks like a possible A, a possible B, and a possibly an entry to go short for a wave C. But the whole thing is like I always say, there was never a bounce at a Fibonacci level. There was never an engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level. There was never a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. Every single one of these swing lows is still a higher low. So if you do get that bounce, if you do get that break of structure at a Fibonacci retracement level, then definitely look for shorts. Otherwise, the trend is your friend. I was totally expecting to see a pullback, but boy, these higher time frames are looking strong. And my very high time frames are very, very, very bullish. I still think the pound dollar is going to go all the way up to about the 1.45 area, possibly. So very, very bullish on the higher time frames. Sort of time frames are looking for longs until we get a break of structure at a Fibonacci level to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.